light trail yan. Well actually, sobrang light trail. Malalim ng paddles. We're going through them. What's up guys, we're here. So I'm in the middle of nowhere. So having a little off-road fun. But actually medyo sobrang light trail pangalan to. Actually hindi siya talagang trail. I just found a piece of unpaved road somewhere here in INNOVA. So I thought to try the 4-wheel drive system ng Hilux dito. So I'll show you a bit of the place, right? So yan siya, actually may land dumping site doon ng solid waste ata. I'll show you that part. I'm not sure kung kita, but I think dump site siya. But anyway, that's that. Hindi na ako masyado nagpunta doon kasi parang masyado naman putek. Mahirap na pag na-stuck ako and wala akong kasama. So parang solo trailing lang ako dito. And then that's the rest of the unpaved road. Tapos andun na yung paved road somewhere dyan sa gilid ng ilog. Yeah, so I'm having a bit of fun. So kung nakikita nyo yan, may mga putek, may mga paddles. And then ito yung Hilux. Ayan, putik-putik na yung gulong. Siguro mas masaya kung highway, all-terrain yung gulong niya, pero currently stock pa rin yan. It's been just what, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days old. And sinubukan na nating mag light trail. Well actually, sobrang light trail. So gusto ko kasi subukan yung 4-wheel drive system kasi kapag in-engage mo yung 4-wheel drive system sa paved road, magkakaroon lang ng stress sa drive shaft. So I thought of trying it here since unpaved road, loose gravel or loose dirt doesn't put that much stress dun sa drivetrain. So yan, nakita nyo putik-putik na yung gulong. Yup, all covered in mud, 4 days old. It's doing its purpose. Yan pati yung likod, covered in mud. Tapos yan yung mga tracks. Yep, that's the undercarriage. Mud flaps doing its purpose, kinda. So yeah, just having a little bit fun. Sayang di ko dinala yung aking tripod, but I guess I'll go back here with the tripod and do some running shots. And may mga portion na sobrang lambot talaga ng putek tulad niyan. Tumulubog actually yung sleepers ko. So unfortunately wala tayong deep dish matting. We only have the stock floor mats. Ayan. But anyway, I don't care kung madumihan yung carpet. At least para may gagawin akong pagdi-detailing ng mga floor mats. But before that, kailangan ko muna matanggal yung putik sa aking sleepers. So this is an unprepared off-roading. So medyo mababa yung kaligayahan ko ngayon kasi ngayon lang ako nakaranas ng ganito. Kasi yung INNOVA hindi naman pwede pang off-road, pati yung Montero mababalahaw for sure. Anyways, let's go. Yeah, God. So actually pedals ko putik-putik na rin. Anyways, yan, naka-engage yung 4 high natin. So, makikita. Display na yung 4-wheel drive. So, gladly we don't have to use the diff lock yet. Hindi tayo nababalahaw. So, kapag naka 4-wheel drive, parang ang gaan niya. Parang wala lang. So parang may nanonotice ako na difference kapag nag-switch tayo from 2-wheel drive, high 2, H2 to 4-wheel drive. As in talaga parang mas mabilis ka kapag naka 4-wheel drive. Ramdam ko yung difference kahit sa sobrang light na trail tulad nito. So kapag nag-blink, it's trying to engage. Kapag nag-stay on na yung light, it's completely engaged. So yan, daan tayo sa mga paddles. Yeah, wag lang yung tae. Very nice la. Yeah, I'm enjoying this, bro. I'm enjoying this. Tapos maglilinis na lang tayo mamaya. So ito yung paved road na sinasabi ko kanina, ano. Ayun. So hindi ko lang kung may parang ginagawang dam doon, or dam nga ba yun, hindi ko lang kung anong tawag, or para sa irrigation ata. I'm not sure. But let's turn around, have a bit more fun before we head home. So yan yung back camera and 360 camera in action. Very nice to have para kita mo lahat ng surroundings mo. So dapat pala dinala ko talaga yung tripod ko, so para makita nyo yung exterior or yung Hilux running through this unpaved road. Promise, feel ko talaga yung difference nung 4-wheel drive. Actually, you don't need 4-wheel drive for this unpaved road. Kaya ng 4x2, but there is really a difference because you're giving or you're putting power to all tires, and that all of those tires, or at least some of those tires, are sending your car forward, ano. So let's go back here. Yan yung malalalim ng puddles. We're going through them. Let's turn around here. Ayoko na pumunta doon kasi parang mas malalalim yung putek. Mahirap na kapag nabalaw pa akong sa dito. So I think that's pretty much it with this place. I enjoyed that little bit of off-roading. Yeah, so I enjoyed the little bit of off-roading on that location. So yeah, this is somewhere along or parallel with the INNOVA road, which is on the other side of this river. Ayan yung off-road na pinagpuntahan ko. So I think bagong krasada lang to dito. I think it's been more than a year or two na ata na ginawa to. But yeah, glad to explore this little place and do a little or mini vlog for this day, ano. So 4 days old Hilux Conquest 4x4 automatic, sinabak agad sa putikan. Alright, this is fun. Can't wait for some car camping on remote places, mga river crossing. Yun ang gusto kong gawin, river crossing, yung mga campsites sa Rizal, ano. Ayan. Alright, so we just got back home. Time to clean this up. Ideally pressure washer, pero tinatamad pa ako maglabas kasi ito nga yung tapat pa. Look at that piece of mud. So ito lang pinaproblema ko kasi kung maglilinis ako dito sa amin, saan mapupunta yung putik? Baka naman sa gaba sa kapitbahay. Yun lang yung pinoproblema ko ngayon. Kasi tignan mo, sobrang putik ko. I think pwede ko naman dakutin dun sa kanal kapag naipon. But yeah, look at that mud, boy. Well, tignan nyo yung putek. Alright, so after rinsing majority of the mud off sa mga wheel wells at sa gulong, ayan na yung kinalabasan. Nakita niyo yung putik, muddy color, chocolate color, yan. I still have to clean that up after ending this vlog. Ano? But yan, medyo mas okay na siyang tignan. Putik pa rin, pero pressure washer na lang natin yung mamaya. Ano? So yeah guys, that's it for this mini vlog. So sana na-enjoy nyo rin as much as I did. So first time kong i-offroad or makaranas ng offroad ng 4x4. Yeah, actually talagang nag-enjoy ako. 4 days old pa lang tong Hilux and sinabak na natin agad sa offroading ano. So I mean, sa mga talagang nag-o-offroad, sobrang basic pa lang nung dinaanan ko kanina, pero of course as a first timer, syempre iba yung feeling, 'di ba? Kahit parang sa iba sobrang light lang nung trail, pero sa iyo parang bro, come on, first time off-roading, first time mong maranasan, sobrang nakaka-enjoy talaga, no? Yung tipong before hindi mo dinadaanan yung mga ganung klaseng kalsada kasi mababalaho ka, pero ngayon you're able to go through that road and enjoy, and then reach some places that you never ever dream of reaching. So yeah, that's it. Ulitin ko lang, sabi naman ng ahente na break-in na to from the factory, or bago pa dumating sa mga dealership. So we're good to go, or we're already good to like use its full potential. So lahat ng, for example, 4-wheel drive system niya, pwede mo na i-rev beyond 2,000 RPM and whatnot. Hindi mo na kailangan patakbuhin pa ng sobrang gentle for the first 500 to 1,000 kilometers. You're gonna able to utilize it from the dealership already, no? So guys, that's it. Sana nag-enjoy rin kayo as much as I did. Don't forget to like and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing because we'll have more content in the future, no? So guys, thanks for watching and see you on the next bit. Alright.